Say that again.
Migration is scary and complicated. On a scale from simple and easy to large and complex, it's probably on the more complex side of things, just due to the number of systems involved, the number of integrations, and then the sheer number of people.
Our customers rely on Zendesk for their day-to-day operations, and when Zendesk is unavailable, their workflows stop. In the space of incident management, literally every second matters. Incident response is critical to the success of Zendesk and our customers. Migrations of critical systems are generally very high risk because the probability of losing visibility is such that it could result in, a protracted customer outage or, catastrophic failure.
So the timeline was about 10 weeks for migrating 150 Scrum teams, 1,200 engineers. It seemed kind of overwhelming. The thing that kept me up at night was whether we missed something, because there are so many different systems that feed into our alerting workflows. Our old system had grown organically over 14 years worth of new products, new features, new teams, new acquisitions. I don't know how many hundreds of reorganizations and renamings. It was a mess.
We decided it was time to move to Incident.io because the legacy solution we had in place, the product didn't evolve with our needs. So we were looking for something that was more consolidated, and incident response is made easier and more effective through Incident.io. The migration far exceeded our expectations. We had no loss in fidelity of the signal coming out of our environment, and partnering with the Incident.io team was literally like an extension of our engineering team. They were there every step of the way, super responsive to changes in function of the product through implementation and enabling our near 2,000 person product development organization in the use of this tool.
There are so many things that we've done in the last year since going live with Incident.io. I don't think we'd have been able to do those if we didn't have that partnership established.
It was hard to believe that we could do something so big with such a critical system so quickly, but I think we proved early on that we got on track and stayed on track. So as we moved from the starting point to the finish line, confidence just continued to grow, right? Because the consistency and predictability of the delivery was always there.
The moment I knew we were going to be okay and we were going to be able to do it was when Erin from Incident.io came on site. One, she was incredibly knowledgeable, but also just like a really reassuring presence. Yes, you can do this. Yes, we can do this. And I mean, she was right, and we did it. We had, the demos, the meetings, and the responsiveness, the dedication from the Incident.io team. I remember sitting in one of those initial meetings with Incident.io and doing Slack DMs on the side with my manager being like, we're gonna have to do this, aren't we? They're just too good.
Handing off the nuts and bolts to Anna, I mean, she owned it from day one. I have full trust in her and her team's ability to execute. And with a partner like Incident.io, I had 100% confidence from start to finish.
So one of the pieces of feedback we got from a fellow engineering manager was this is one of the smoothest migrations at Zendesk. Incident.io is awesome.